To take care of Sadabahar plant, you need to grow it in fast draining potting soil, properly water it and provide it ample amount of sunlight. To help it sunlight, direct and partial sunlight 5 to 6 hours, and soil pH is slightly acidic, means 5 to 6 pH to 6. Hello friends, good evening. Here are some basic care tips of periwinkle or Sadabahar flower plant. First, do not overwater to the Vinca plant. Use shower for watering when the soil gets dry. Upper layer, then use water. Fertilize it at least twice a month. Vermicompost is sufficient for it. Vinca is a sun loving plant, so it requires at least 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight. The basic pest, disease, or problems Vinca face: lower leaves turning yellow and falling down. When lower foliage turns into yellow and falls down, it usually is the sign of too much water. At that time, stop watering this, the soil gets dry. Save your plant from pests and diseases. Just apply organic insecticide, neem oil sprays twice a week if required. The Vinca flower comes in different colors like white, pink, red, blue, and in several different variegated colors. Sadabar or Vinca flower plant natively belongs to Madagascar and the most common plant in India. Sadabahar plant is amongst the easiest flower plant to grow at home, which is known by many names like periwinkle, vinca, and it is always a good choice to add this perennial flowering plant in your home garden or an evergreen touch. But growing them for the first time can be a bit confusing. How to get Sadabahar plant at home? To grow Sadabahar plant at home, you can either grow it from seeds or cuttings. Use a well draining potting soil and provide it with a lot of direct sun, with watering it sparingly when the soil dries out. The only requirement for its soil is that it should be fast draining, which means the water should flush out of the container quickly. For this, you can add 20%, 20 to 30% of sand or gravels in the potting soil and it will be good to go. An ideal medium is 35% garden soil, 15% coco peat, 25% vermicompost, and 25% sand. Mix it and grow it.